Hey guys, Blake here with Scorpion Window Film. I want to say thank you for purchasing one of our Scorpion plotter adapters. What we're doing in this video is showing you everything that's included with that plotter adapter purchase, and we're actually going to go through the set of instructions to show you how to get it connected and cutting on your plotter. Alrighty guys, so with your plotter adapter purchase, you're going to get a set of instructions to show you how to set it up via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can choose whichever option works for you. You're also going to get a wireless keyboard, a power adapter, and then the most important piece here, your plotter adapter, as well as a USB surge protector. The very first step, obviously, now that we've got everything unboxed, we want to connect this to power, let it all boot up. We're going to connect our mouse, the keyboard, and the plotter. Alrighty guys, so we are on page 3 of this instructions. It says Wi-Fi connectivity at the top. First thing we want to do is hit the network icon right up here. Right now we're not connected to any network, so we want to just click this button and then select your desired network. Hit turn on wireless LAN. And then we've already connected to our shop Wi-Fi here, main office, so it's already connected. For you guys, your first time, it's going to show you a list of networks. Click on it, enter in your Wi-Fi password, and once it connects, you'll see that little check mark here on the side. Alright guys, now that we have the plotter adapter plugged in, turned on, keyboard, everything's up and running, we're going to do a test cut. So in the top left hand corner here, hit setup plotter. Make sure we're on the Wi-Fi tab, and then towards the bottom here we have setup plotter. Hit that button. It might automatically populate for you here. If not, hit the refresh button and they'll pop up for you. And then we've got 2 plotter adapters popping up here. You're only going to have one, so just select the plotter adapter when it pops up. I know that the one we're shooting for this video is this one down here. So I'm going to hit connect, set up plotter. It says success. Plotter is now connected to your application. Hit OK. It's going to take you back to this screen. Let's do a test cut. Hey guys, it's that simple. Once you got that test cut done, your plotter set up, you're ready to go ahead and start selecting your patterns and send them to your Bluetooth all day long. If you have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-483-9087. And remember, Scorpion, protect what's yours.